this light too. That was a really interesting choice. I don't think I've ever seen that pulled before.
Hey, his girlfriend lives like an hour and like 45 minutes away.
Yeah.
And the story behind this is, oh shit!
What are you doing?
What the fuck?
Figured that was coming. Speed limit is obviously way too low. Yep, that's exactly what that light's for. Yeah. Nice. That's a one-way road. Now they're getting looked at. I don't know what's going on.
Job.
Thanks. It was like literally the easiest interview I've ever been to. What are you doing?
Okay, buddy.
What?
There's a green arrow, buddy. What are we doing? Oh my god.
Nothing. We're gonna sit through the whole thing, yep.
Fuck that guy. I've never seen that in my whole life.
This lady's about to run a red light. Yep. Nice.
Do you have a camera?
Wow. Let's cut off everybody. Yeah. That was the most beautiful place for a U-turn I've ever seen. What?
It's JK here on Alt Nation. Hope your morning
Exactly
is
the point of a turn lane.
I am at Cave Show on Twitter and the Gram.
Wow. They were moving fast. Yeah.
Oh,
She
thank the
gave
Lord.
up.
Oh my god, she was right here.
Yeah, I know.
What the fuck?
Ready? Watch this.
Woo!
Wow, we turned. I fall asleep. Literally nobody can see you. There you go. That's 3 in a row. Wow, you are out of your mind. Yes, go. I think I want to continue on with something, you know, vaguely similar to that. Hello? Yes, I'll be by in like 2 minutes probably. Do you find everything I need to? Okay, cool. Oh, no, that's... Yeah, but... So do you all...
Grade 13.
Uh-huh.
And so I actually got calculus, and it's basically...
Yeah. Somebody left the water truck open.
Whoa! Lost a tire. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh.
Sounds like the exact
Wow! Yo! What is that? A hit? Yeah, there's the first stream crossing. Oh, I've definitely done worse. Wow, that was pretty cool.
Yeah. It's a good little stream right there.
Yeah. This poor car goes through so much.
more intense in the day for sure.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Does your exhaust go under though?
Go underwater?
Yeah.
Probably. It doesn't really matter because it's a single pipe. And so as long as the car is running, it can't get any water up in it. The ones that have dual exhaust, that's when you start having problems.
Why?
Because all the exhaust will go at one pipe and then the water will go up the other.
But isn't the problem? I thought part of the problem was that, like, you know, that gas will build up. Or is that not really?
The gas. Like
Or
inside.
the exhaust gas will build
Oh,
up,
if
you know?
I mean if you're underwater for like a long time, yes.
Yeah. It was
But I
like-
mean on that it was underwater for maybe 3 or 4 seconds.
Yeah.
And the engine's running at, 900 RPM.
Like,
Versus when we're climbing a mountain pass, it's running at 5,000, so it's probably, even after the water blocks it, it gets the same amount out. That and when you're running in the water, if there's too much pressure, it'll just force it out and it'll bubble up.
yeah, yeah.
So it at least won't like completely stop. But yes, you get big problems if you get water all the way up the exhaust, then yeah, then you have to replace a lot.